Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 18 of Loving my minis in February. If you'll notice, I do have a little boo-boo. I don't know if I tripped over one of the dogs, but I was holding one of those really big like hole puncher things and I didn't want to drop it on a dog or myself, so I don't know what I did, but I tripped and the only damage was my finger, but it got pretty mangled. So instead of having you guys to look at it, you guys get to look at my shark wrestling Band-Aid, which I think it was funny that we had a shark wrestling Band-Aid in our bathroom. So, all right, day 18. Can't believe it. I have my $8. Let's get that all organized. And I just did that a couple hours ago, so it's pretty painful. And I wanted to film this, so I have a bandage on it. But I think I'm going to do 2 videos. So after I do the 2 videos, I'm going to clean it again and then probably put like a cold compress on it or something. See if that can help with some of the swelling. All's good. I'm a little bit of a klutz lately, I guess. All right, so we have $8 going into our bank, and this bank just holds our money until we complete a challenge. So I will use my $8 worth of prop coins to represent that $8, and we'll mark off whatever we can. And when we finish something, we just take the money out of the bank, and I am putting it back in the back that says completed, because at the end of the month, I'm going to do a little left, right, center game and divvy it up by 3 categories, which I'm excited about. That's going to be soon. All right, so I'm going to mix up my little prop coins. I feel like I'm all over here again. Let's see if I can. I love my little camera. It really helps. I always have this linked in my videos because if you film videos, having an eye really seeing what you're doing is so helpful. All right, so let's go to our paper clip, which is on 8. All right, so we're going to start on number 8, and let's see what we got. I'm adjusting again. Okay. We have 1. After all that, it's 1. And then we go back here, and we have 1 for 1, 3 for 2. Yay, 3 for 3. So how are you doing? How's your week going? I am working on my launch. I'm working on orders. I feel like I'm working on videos. I'm editing. I've got all the hats on this week, but I'm excited. I have some new dice, some new savings challenges. I'm really excited for my launch on Friday. And I think what I'm going to have to do, I'm not going to be able to do the full thing. And I say that as I actually added it, so you guys would never have known. But the one, I'm waiting on some more dice. So part of that launch that I decided to do this week, I'm going to just push back. But it'll be worth the wait because it's, ooh, 3 got 3 again. I love it. All right, 4 is getting 1. We have 2 left. What's going to happen? All right, 1 for 5, and then that means 1 for 6, and we will start on number 7 tomorrow. All right. So number 1. Number 1 got $1, so it got all 25. Oh, I don't have any of my pens out. All right, so I need this one. This is from Margie at the Budget Evolution. Look at how pretty. Beach days. Love it. And I don't think I've ever built a sandcastle. I mean, I had to have when I was like little, but I don't ever remember. Okay, so I can mark off 4 boxes. All right, so that is good. That will save us $5 when we are done. All right, and then number 2. Ooh. 2 got $1.25. And this one is from 4 Dizzy Birds. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can do 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Oh my gosh, and we only need 50 more cents, and then this one will be done with $4. All right. And number 3. Number 3 got all 25. So it should be $1.50. And these super cute prop coins and dashboards comes from Kimmy's Corner. And you can get it on her Ko-fi. And I think she already has or will be putting out March ones soon. She already has put out ones or will be putting March ones out soon. Oh my goodness. Did we finish this? No, we are one shy. So we have $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. So we will finish that one tomorrow for $2 from, did I say Vicky Thinks? Vicky Thinks, if I didn't say it. All right. And then number 4. Number 4 got 75 cents. And this one is from Becca Budget 777. All right. That will save us $5. All right, and then number 5 got $1. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, and we just needed 75 cents. So 25, 50, and 75. And this one is done. This saved us $3. So we have 25 left, so I'm just going to stick that one right there. So let's see what we can do. Grab one. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So I can color in one of the circles. This one will save us $5 when we are done. There's a lot of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay. Just look like a lot of circles. And number 6 has 75 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Telling you, one of these times I'm literally going to have a Lindsay binder. Just for the, like, every challenge in here will be hers. All right, so 3 circles colored in, and this one will save us 4 when we're done. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. Oh, we only needed a quarter. Sweet. So I'll put that back. Color in this one square. This one is from the Dramatic Panda. It says, don't look back. The past is exactly where it belongs. So this saved us $5. So now we can get another one. Whoops, that's completed. Let's go to our queue. And trying to, what's this one? This one's from Our Beautiful Budgets. This will save us $3, and we can mark off one of the boxes. All right. That's from Brandy. And then last but not least, we have number 8. Got 2 50 cents and a 25. So $1.25 going into 8. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And we can do 5 boxes. All right, this will save us 4 when we are done. And that is all we have for today. So we finished 2 challenges. So now we will go back to the front, and I'm going to put my prop coins, which I'm bringing $8 every day, so I just keep the same amount of prop coins. So I'll put that in there. And then we can get 5 and 3. We can get $8 out of here. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. And go back here to our completed. Alright, so I'm just going to shove this $8 in there. And then I have 2 more I get to add to our completed. So excited. Alright, that's it for day 18. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back for day 19. We can still close it, so I feel like we still have more work to do. I appreciate you being here. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and a great week. And until next time, take care. Bye.